single-lane road was a ribbon of asphalt winding its way through the dense Michigan dunes, each turn obscuring the city and revealing more of the untamed landscape. It was a pilgrimage, a shedding of stress with every passing mile. When they finally reached the end, the Sawyer Retreat didn't leap out, it emerged. A low, unassuming silhouette of charred blackwood, it seemed to be a natural part of the bluff itself. A slender bridge of wood and steel spanned a small ravine, a whisper of a path leading them to the front door. This was no grand entrance, but a gentle invitation, a promise of peace woven into the very fabric of the land. Stepping onto the bridge, the air shifted, carrying the scent of pine and the deep, cool breath of Lake Michigan. The house was built with a profound respect for its surroundings, with the tilted wooden boxes seeming to float effortlessly above the earth. They didn't sprawl across the land but rose with it, a testament to thoughtful design. From this vantage point, a tantalizing cutout in the center of the structure beckoned, a sliver of blue and light that hinted at the stunning reveal to come. This was the moment of transition, a final goodbye to the world they left behind and a welcoming hello to the sanctuary ahead. Inside, the world opened up. The initial glimpse of the lake from the entryway was just a prelude. Following the polished concrete floors, the space unfolded into an open-plan living and dining area, where walls of glass dissolved the boundary between indoors and out. The panoramic vista of Lake Michigan was breathtaking, a vast, shimmering expanse that dominated the view. It was here, in the heart of the home, that the true purpose of the retreat became clear: to connect with nature, to gather with family, and to simply exist in a state of quiet awe. The Douglas fir ceilings and oak frames provided a warm, natural contrast to the concrete, grounding the home in the very elements it celebrated. The home was a series of discovered moments, each one more peaceful than the last. The stairs descended to the lower level, where a cozy family room awaited, along with bunk beds perfect for sleepovers and a guest room for visitors. A skylight above the stairs created a shaft of light that followed them, illuminating the path downward like a private sunbeam. Hovering above the sandy soil, peeking through the treetops, the house was a masterful blend of architecture and landscape. It was more than a structure, it was a feeling, a memory in the making, and a perfect refuge from the clamor of the world. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so let me know what you'd like to see next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.